Someone recently asked me, what's the best camera for taking sunset photos? And honestly, that question made me smile, because the truth is, any modern camera can do it. But what makes a sunset photo unforgettable? It's not megapixels, it's your vision. Think you need a better camera to take better photos? What if the real game changer costs nothing? In this video, I'm sharing 5 powerful ways to improve your photography without spending a penny. Just simple creative shifts that'll transform the way you shoot. Let me show you what I mean. It's easy to think that a better camera or a new lens means better photos, but that's not the full story. Whether you're brand new to photography or you've been shooting for a while but feel stuck, this video is for you. We're not going into exposure settings or gear comparisons today. Both are really important, and I've got other videos on the channel to help you with that. But this one is different. This one is about helping you think like an artist, to see the world in frames, to find your voice as a photographer. We'll cover 5 ideas that'll help you create better work, and none of them are about cameras, lenses or settings. So if you've ever looked at your photos and thought, why doesn't this feel like what I saw in real life? Let's fix that now. Let's get this one out of the way. Your gear does not make you a great photographer. A $5 camera won't magically give you vision, and a basic phone won't hold you back if you know what you want to say with your image. Your camera is just a tool. Think of your camera like a paintbrush. A masterpiece doesn't come from the brush, it comes from the artist holding it. And in case you haven't worked that out, that's you. You are absolutely an artist. And oh, I forgot to mention, if you can stay until the end, I'll also give you 3 quick bonus tips to help you put these ideas into action. So how do we learn to see like an artist? Photography isn't really about clicking buttons. It's about noticing. Notice how the light falls across someone's face. Notice shadows stretching out across the street. Notice color, contrasts, repetition, stillness, and movement. Try to think of your viewfinder as a blank canvas. Ask yourself, what am I seeing here? What story am I trying to tell? There's no getting away from it. Creativity needs structure, and that's where composition comes in. Use the rule of thirds to guide the eye. Find leading lines, paths, fences, shadows that naturally draw attention to your subject. Look for frames within a frame, like shooting through a window, a doorway, or even between tree branches. Keep your frame clean. Ask yourself, is everything in this photo adding to the story? If not, leave it out. A technically perfect photo can still feel, well, a little bit empty. But a photo with intention, even if it's a little blurry or grainy, can move people. So ask yourself before pressing the shutter, what do I want the viewer to feel? Peace, curiosity, wonder, connection? When you shoot with intention, you shoot with real power. You don't need a new camera, you need to spend more time with the one you already have. Creativity isn't just a lightning bolt of inspiration, it's something you build through repetition, reflection, and real-world practice. The more you shoot, the more instinctive your decisions become. You start to see light differently, compose with more confidence, and trust your creative gut. Every shoot, good or bad, is progress. Every frame is a small step towards mastering your voice and refining your vision. And here's the thing, you don't need perfect conditions or exotic locations. Some of the most creative breakthroughs come from shooting everyday life over and over again until you start noticing something that others don't. Creativity isn't something you wait for, it's something that you work into existence. Now before those bonus tips, I wanted to quickly remind you that this community is where we educate, inspire, empower, and of course engage with you in becoming a better photographer. And with that in mind, I've created an ebook for you. You can download it by joining my newsletter community. Just hit the link in the description. It's completely free and covers photography essentials to keep you inspired between videos. Now, those extra tips to help you put this mindset into action. Try this. Pick one lens or only shoot in black and white for the day. Limitations force creativity. They make you see differently. Carry out your own research. Look at work that inspires you and ask, why does this photo move me? What do I like about it? Learn the technique, but always make it your own. Every photo doesn't have to be a masterpiece, and like mine, they probably won't be. But every photo can teach you something. The more intentional you are, the more creative you'll become. So remember, it's not the gear, it's you, your eye, your intent, your story. And if this video helped you think differently about photography, hit that like button, leave a comment, and make sure you're subscribed. There are more videos on this channel for settings, techniques, and composition, but today was about mindset. And if you can master that, the rest will follow. Keep creating, keep learning, and above all, stay inspired. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.